Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can enable quota management in your Windows operating system? Quota is provide a dedicated disk space for a user. Okay, so how you can do that? Okay, so let's open the file explorer. Okay, here you can see this PC. Okay, here you can see our C drive. Right click on C drive and go to properties. Okay, now you can see the quota option here. Okay, so you can see here this disk supported space limited. Okay, so the quota selection. Okay, so enable the quota management. Okay, so when you enable the quota management, there are lots of options are going to enable. Okay, do not limit disk use. Okay, so you can limit the disk use from here, and kb to gb to tb and ev. Okay, so and apply and okay, and quota entry, if you want to see quota entry, you can see from here quota entry. Okay, so that's it for today, and it's just an introductory video. So thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for bye.